Hello everybody, my name is Infiniti and I am the face and the voice behind all the tutorials here on the channel. I am here again today with another channel chat. I think it's number 28. Don't quote me on it. I should know, but I don't remember. So, sorry for my look and everything. Well, first of all, natural hair rocks. Second of all, I kicked off my spring break with deep conditioning because like this weather has been back and forth. It's been crazy. My hair is dyed, as many of you know or should know if you've been following me around for a minute. So I'm just gonna get comfortable here. This is gonna be fun. So yeah, spring break. Yeah, deep conditioning. It's like keratin, aloe, garlic, and water. Yeah. So, if you guys wanted to know that, little FYI, kind of helps grow the hair, it seals moisture in, and all that beautiful stuff. So, one of my talking points is I always write these notes and then I memorize them, and then I get on camera and it's just like, oh no, what did I write? What did I just memorize? So this is why I don't typically do scripts. I just have little mini talking points on a piece of paper somewhere because I'm not good at that. I'm really not good at that. I have to make stuff my own thing. But anyway, yay! So, I've been anticipating spring break for a hot minute. If you guys can't tell or hadn't been able to tell, I was like drowning in tiredness. That college life. But there's been so much. Also, this is an evening recording, and this is my butter pecan coffee. It is a light roast, but I always mix it with dark roast, so I suppose that defeats the purpose, but it is delicious. So, gonna be drinking that. I have a tutorial rendering, and yeah, busy evening, afternoon thing, but it's been such a chill day with the weather and whatnot. It's been like raining and kind of gloomy outside, and I just edited a video, and I don't know how long it would have been without all my edits, but it's rendering out, I think, to be 42 minutes long. I'm sorry, it's a Sunday video. Anyway, okay. So we're not going to talk about that. So, like I said, anticipating spring break, full week off. I was planning to go hard and just record, edit, so I wouldn't have to rush because I was thinking, oh yeah, I'm going to have travel and stuff like that. Well, as you guys may know, there's a little bit of a pandemic going around, so they extended spring break as they have done for a lot of colleges and universities around the country. So I'm actually out of school and out of my campus job for 2 weeks. I don't know how I feel about it. I'm kind of happy, and as the hours go by, I think about it and I'm like, okay, my alarm's off for 2 weeks. I take studio art classes, so literally I'm only taking one art class, so that means only have one class to check into ever so often. That's going to be great if we do end up finishing the semester on a online kind of thing. I don't know how that's going to work for a CPR class. I really hope I can still do it. I'm going to leave that for the future. So, that being said, in the next, 2 to 3 weeks, I'm going to be sitting up and just like grinding. So I don't have any of them over here. Oh, I do, but they're blocked. They're blocking. I have been making up different little things. I have headbands made up. I'm trying to do inventory, basically. And so I have a few things over there on my stuff shelf, and I have a few things over there in my stuff tote that I have already made up. There's stuff to the side of me we don't talk about that. And I'm still finishing up a couple of personal projects. I have a couple projects planned, and that's gonna be so exciting and fun. I look forward to the downtime. Like I feel like I haven't had really the time to knit or crochet like I had been, or really doing my own personal artwork like I had been. But hey, this little break is giving me a chance. It's going to give me a chance to sit down, chill out, and kind of work on the things that I would like to / need to work on. So yeah, and also some spring cleaning. I have been doing that still. Again, I'm in my space that I wasn't really looking to reveal until like summer, but like, you know, it bees like that. It bees like that. But I have made some amazing headway with it, which is great. It's starting to feel more open over here, sort of, kind of, without this giant looming pile of projects. Anyway, so it's starting to feel more open and wonderful to me, and that's cool. I think strictly over here I'm going to, well, I don't know. I don't know. But I do have until like over the summer to deal with it. So I'm going to just leave it at that. As you guys know, or may not know actually, I've been working on stuff for university. It's been so cool. So the thing is, I was going to do a recording like, oh yeah, you know, vlog time kind of thing. And I was so confused when I first opened that letter, because it was like 6 in the morning when I opened it, and I was like, holy crap. You know. So first of all, I was like excited about the whole getting in part, and then to actually get my financial aid package was cool. So at this point they're like, okay, 3/4 of it, like, okay, so like if I took out loans, all of my financial aid would be covered, but I'm not trying to do that yet. I'm in enough debt right now, and I'm trying to like dig myself out of it. So I'm trying to avoid student loans for as long as I can, and I'm doing scholarships and whatnots, to hopefully make up for that extra $5,000 or $6,000 that I would need. But otherwise, I mean, like, regardless, I'm going, but still, you know. And then just working on other little stuff for fees and whatnot. So I'm really looking forward to building up my inventory and starting to list my items on Etsy, which I will be doing. I did finally actually get the Pisces design up on my Teespring. I'm probably gonna, should I pop it up over here somewhere? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I decided that I'm just gonna leave the zodiac items up just year round. I've made them all visible and available again, because I'm like, I didn't mean to be that late with Pisces, but there was a lot going on, it was just a lot, and I'm glad I got to it. So now that I have this downtime during spring break, I get to work on some of my other designs, and then I can like time release those and just leave them up, and that's going to be fun. That is going to be so much fun. So yeah, did I have another talking point? Did I? I don't know, but you know what, guys, everybody, be safe, be clean, be well. You know, prayers to everybody in this time. I mean, like, I don't know, mixed feelings about it. Like, it's ridiculous. It's like totally ridiculous how fast this thing spread, but I'm like, you know, I'm not particularly concerned, but for those of us who have like elderly grandparents, or, you know, just elders in general, or little kids, be extra safe and be extra clean, and just be considerate of those around you who might have some sort of immune disorder or whatever. So yeah, until next time, guys, I will be crafting, I guess. Happy making.